Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to review on two products, how you can combine these two products to achieve a brightening skin tone, a lightening skin tone, to work on a dry skin, to nourish the skin for you, and to moisturize the skin for you. These products I'm coming to talk about are one of the most effective lightening products, and this one is Carowhite cream, and one of the most affordable baby oil in the market that you can grab and use on your skin, Johnson baby oil. So I'm coming to share my honest review or show you guys on how you can use this two combo to nourish your skin, to work on dry skin, to brighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to whiten your skin as well. In this video I'm going to share with you what this cream is and what this Johnson baby oil is. I'll also go ahead and share with you guys how you can mix these two combo to glow your skin. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, and also how you can use it perfectly to achieve the exact results that you want, and also the side effect of not using these two combination well. You know, this Carowhite cream is a very good lightening cream in the market. It's very affordable in the market, but then it is a cream that involves hydroquine. So sometimes it's not advisable to use this cream alone. You need to mix it with a very mild oil or a baby oil, which I'm coming to show you guys today how to use these two products to glow your skin. Carowhite cream is a product from Abidjan, as we all know, and it's a product that really whiten the skin. This product, if you are the type who want to whiten your skin within a week to 2 weeks, then you need to take your time and use this product. This is how the cream is, and trust me, it's been sealed very well with this, and this is how the texture of this cream is. One thing I've noticed about this cream is that it's not recommended for everybody. If you are the type with a sensitive skin, it's not advisable to use this cream. And if you are the type with oily skin, it's not advisable to use this cream. And if you are someone with a very dark skin, it's not advisable to use this cream. But then if you have a normal skin, you have a combination skin, you have a dry skin, you can use this cream to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to also nourish your skin as well. This is how the cream is. I don't know if you can see it very well, and it smells like carrots, and there is hydroquine inside. Actually, the ingredients that I use to formulate this cream are carrots, ecogic acid, citric acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, hydroquine, and other lightening ingredients. And let's come to Johnson baby oil. I know a lot of you have come across this Johnson baby oil. Even a baby can use this oil. It nourishes the skin, it glows the skin, and it makes the skin very smooth and very soft, and it's recommended for everybody. A sensitive skin person can use it, a normal skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it as well. But take note, it's not used on the face. Likewise, the Carowhite cream is also not used on the face as well. So we are coming to, because it's a product that contains hydroquine, we need to mix it with Johnson baby oil to reduce the hydroquine inside, so that when you use it on your skin, you wouldn't end up damaging your skin. Okay, it's not advisable to use it alone because it comes with a whole lot of challenges when you use this cream alone, but it is always good to mix it with oil. Not even Johnson baby oil alone, you can mix it with bio oil, you can mix it with recovery oil, you can mix it with a baby oil or any mild oil to reduce the quantity of the hydroquine inside. Because of the hydroquine inside, if you use this cream alone and you expose the skin under the sun, you will end up destroying the skin. And even not exposing the skin under the sun alone, if you don't use it wisely, you will destroy your skin. Okay, so I am opening it. As I said it earlier, this is how the cream is. So this is my container which I'm coming to use to mix with the cream, and this is my spoon. So you just dish two quantity. It depends on how you want your cream to be. So you just dish two quantity of the cream inside the container. So there you go. This is how it is, and it smells very nice. Sometimes you can feel the smell of the hydroquine inside. Okay, and it does not contain enough oil. Okay, this is how it is. It does not contain enough oil at all. Let me show you all. It does not contain enough oil at all. So if you are the type with a dry skin, if you want to use this cream alone, make sure you add enough oil to it, okay, so that it can nourish the skin for you very well. And you know, very soon Harmattan will be coming, so you should please remember that when we enter into the Harmattan season, our skins becomes very dry. Okay, so if you are already battling with a dry skin, make sure you get enough oil in your body cream or your body lotion before you use it on the skin. Okay, so you can measure two quantity or three or more than that. It depends on how you want your cream to look like, or how you want it to nourish the skin for you. So I'm just pouring the Johnson baby oil inside the cream. I love my oil to be plenty in the cream. So there you go. So you just have to stir it. Take your time and stir it very well. Okay, take your time and stir it very, very well. If you are stirring it and you notice the oil is not enough inside, you can please add enough oil to the cream before using on the skin. So this is how it is. I'm mixing it with the, what's the name, the oil. So this is how it is. And the Johnson baby oil also smells very nice. You know, it's not a harsh oil. It's a very good oil for nourishing the skin, for moisturizing the skin, and also working on dry skin as well. So this is how it is now. Now I can feel enough oil in the cream. This is how it is. So you see, and it has really made my skin very smooth, very, very smooth. So as I said it earlier, I told you guys that it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person. It's not recommended for an oily skin person, but a normal skin person can use it. A combination skin person can use it. A dry skin person can use it. Now, the roles it plays on the skin is that it glows the skin. It brings out your natural glow. It lightens the skin. It nourishes the skin, and it whitens the skin when you use it consistently. But then if you are a dark skin person and you want to use this combination, the Johnson baby oil and this Carowhite cream on your skin, make sure you don't use it consistently, because if you are very dark and you use this product, you are going to end up having dark knuckles. That one there, it's very true. You end up having dark knuckles. And when you end up having that dark knuckles, you'll be wasting money to clear the dark knuckles. So before you can use this Carowhite cream and then the Johnson baby oil, make sure you tone your skin. Okay, you can glow the skin a bit, but if you want to brighten up, you want to lighten up, you want to whiten up, you need to make sure that you use it wisely so that you don't end up damaging the skin. A caramel skin tone person can use it, okay, and a light skin tone person can use it to achieve a whitening skin tone. But if you want to achieve a whitening skin tone by using these two combo, you have to use it consistently. And when you are using it, make sure you don't expose the skin under the sun. If you expose the skin under the sun, you will damage the skin because of the hydroquine inside, even though you have added the baby oil to it to reduce the quantity of the hydroquine inside. So you need to be very careful. protect the skin from the sun. And do not use it on the face. It's not advisable to use it on the face. I always say that the face is sensitive than the body, so you should be critical careful with what to use on the face. All right. And the side effect of not using these two combination well is that it gives you white dots on the skin. If you don't mix the oil, this Johnson baby oil, to the cream very well, you end up having a white dot on the skin, and sometimes you end up having stretch marks on the skin, and it irritates the skin as well. Sometimes it gives you severe dark knuckles if you don't use them very well. These two combo is very good for glowing the skin, for lightening the skin, for nourishing the skin, for brightening the skin, and also for making the skin very, very smooth. Do not use it for a child or a baby. A teenager can use it, an adult can use it, everybody can use it. Okay, so as I said it earlier on, you can mix it like this and put it down. And sometimes too, you can dish the cream in your palm like this and add the oil a bit. I don't know how you mix your oil with your cream before using, but if you want the easiest way, you can do it like this. Make sure the cream is well mixed in your palm. Okay, it's well mixed in your palm. Then after that, you can apply it on the skin. It makes you sweat a lot, so you should know the amount of quantity to use it on the skin. But the best advice I can give you is that if you want to use this two combo to whiten your skin, make sure you use it in the night. Because most of the whitening products works in the night. Okay, if you use it during the daytime and you expose the skin under the sun, you end up having sunburn on your skin, dark knuckles, stretch marks, and all other things. But if you want to see effective result on the skin, then make sure you use it in the night. Okay, if you have ever used these two combination, a Carowhite cream and Johnson baby oil, you can share your review under the video, or you can share your testimony with me or with us under the video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel. Send on the notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for always coming back to the channel and supporting the channel. You are the reason why this channel is growing. I'm grateful and thank you so much. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye-bye. All I want